Oh my God. I finally cracked the nut of gutter rat loser sneeze. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. I thought I didn't read it all. I really thought I did. But until I just read with some of these, I'm gonna call them minions because they have to be minions and dumb and stupid and about as smart as a bag of dicks, man. Because the stuff I was hearing, reading, I had to read it again and again. I'm hearing first before I get to the millions. Gutter rat sneeze, bro. You already pathetic of a man, pathetic of a freaking coward. You pathetic coward. You pathetic low life loser maggot. You well all that before I seen and heard what you do. It's one thing that you are disgustingly terrible at rapping. You sound terrible, you look terrible, you are terrible. But I at least thought you did something on your own. You still beats. You ain't doing no work. You ain't putting no work into it. But looking up beats that you wanna steal from somebody. And then you steal their lyrics. You can't even write. Jesus, man, you are such a loser, man. You're a loser and you lazy. You can't even write your own music, bro. You can't even write your own lyrics. Can't even. I mean, you just that's just pathetic, man. I mean, that is real pathetic. I mean, it's bad enough, bro, that you you steal people's lyrics. I mean, before that, you stealing a beat. I mean, damn, now you're stealing a lyrics. I mean, you reading right off the computer, bro. I never, man, you're just, dang, bro, like you just a straight up loser, man. That's all you are. You a bum, pathological liar. You are a nobody. And what you do is you try to say these crazy things, just try to sound all smart and tough. But see, this is the beautiful thing about life, bro. Eventually, your true personality comes out. You can try to hide it all you want, but when a person like you that talks every day, all day, thinks somebody need to hear you, that's just funny to me though. People that think people want to hear them talk be the people that everybody and their mama hate, but they always gotta have it. They always want to like hearing their own voice. But what comes out of that disgust, that crappy, oh, you gotta talk, is the truth. And bro, you are a sissy. You're a pussy boy. You are a nobody, and you know it. So YouTube let you be who you want to be, and that's just up your alley. Cause you're a loser, and this is perfect for you to fake like you're a tough guy. I just find it funny. I've been threatening you, telling you, well, not threatening, but I've been telling you, put up some money. I put up some, you put up some of your $3,400. Let me knock you out, real talk. But no, you keep on acting like you don't know, but you keep talking about you gonna pull up on some money, because you're gonna slap you, this and that. But I asked you plenty of times, shut the F up, put the money up, and let's do this. But don't keep on ducking me. You keep on acting like you don't hear me. But I see why you think you tough, because these minion rats you call fans are even dumber than you. I mean, good Lord. Bro, you about as smart as a friggin' bag of bricks. And I heard this mom with blue ranch says, listening to you gutter rat, she listens to you and she has got stronger inside. Because she listened to the gutter rat. Jesus Christ, man. Lady, minion rat, this dude couldn't think his way out of a paper bag. And you serious about you get stronger listening to it. What are you, about 300 pounds and eating Ben and Jerry's ice cream, and you just need somebody to talk to? Good Lord. Lady, get out. Get out a little bit, man. You ain't gonna make it, lady. You thinking this dude's teaching you something. Jesus, don't let nobody know where you stay at, because they will come out there and play you and say, why don't you buy this winter coat when it's 90 degrees outside? So they're gonna say, Tyree said you should wear the coat when it's 90 degrees outside because it make you stronger. And I just, but you need to buy a new coat every week because you can't keep wearing the same one twice. You'll believe that crap. You's a good idiot. I tell you, you're a good idiot. Don't let nobody tell you ain't. Wow. I thought I heard it all. Wow. And all y'all on here, all y'all little minions, put him on MTV. Put him on MTV. I'd be like, go ahead, put him on MTV. I need a good line today. So I guarantee his butt don't even make it. Because, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Whew. I do see why, though. He think he tough because y'all are a bunch of idiots that believe anything that dude say. Y'all are just lazy-minded people, man. That is a shame. Grown men and women are then this dumb and naive. It's amazing to me. Wow. Grow up.